Hello everyone. We are bringing a new feature in our business intelligence module. So we are coming up with production dashboard. Let me show you how our production dashboard will look like and how it will be helpful to you. So let us go to our business intelligence module. On your left hand side, you will see business intelligence module. Please click on this. Now, once I come in business intelligence module, please check here the transaction, inventory, production and account. So currently we are in production dashboard. So this is your production dashboard. The very first graphical representation displays that how much OCs are pending in production. You can very well go ahead and just click on the graph, and accordingly, all pending, due orders, and overdue orders will get listed down here. So you can go ahead and check the data as per the details. Now here the very first is production not planned. That means OC is created, but production is not planned. Work after work order, the production is not planned. Now, if I come to the next, 0% is completed. There is none action which have been taken on the OC as production process have been planned. Now, coming next, more than 50% is completed. Less than 50% or equal to 50% is completed. Now, next is delivery ready. So you can accordingly see the entire status. This particular status work on your production process stage, like in planned, in pending, then after WIP, and accordingly in completed. So once it will come in completed, it will come for the delivery ready. You can go ahead and check it as per due orders, overdue orders as well. Going below, it will provide you this particular dashboard, also provide you production performance. Production performance means it will show you that exactly of how much amount the finished good have been created, the scrap have been created, the scrap basically sent in the reject store, or how much amount line item have been rejected. This particular activity works in your production process, and accordingly it captures the data and displays you. So it is week on week, month on month, quarter to quarter. You can accordingly check the data, and as per this graph, you will get the entire detail as well. All the calculation are based as per the FIFO pricing, because in production process the FIFO pricing get involved in the process cost. Now you can very well go ahead and click on the view work order or view all processes, and it will take you to the to our production module. Please check here, you will get the report, and accordingly you can go ahead and filter the data. Now, coming back to the production dashboard, status of production process. So this will explain exactly in which status how much process is remaining in today's 7 days, 30 days, 90 days. And also you can go to production module from here. Like suppose I want to see that how much processes is in work in progress. I can simply just click here, and accordingly all the processes will get listed down here. You can very well go ahead and make the changes and check the subcontract processes as well. I hope this particular dashboard will be very much helpful to you in managing your production and having a quick look around your production. Have a good day ahead.